In this tutorial, we will learn how to create columns that stamp the name of a person who either created or updated a record. User stamps are created using the exact same steps as timestamps, except for one detail. The formula is different. Let's go ahead and create a new column to capture who created a particular task. Let's call this column Created By, and let's set it as a text column. Just like with timestamps, we need to change this to a data column to prevent the formula from triggering whenever the page is refreshed. Now let's enter the username formula, which is easy to remember. It's just user.name. By the way, there are other user attributes available to you in this formula, such as user email or user ID. The user information available is the same as that in the access rule conditions, which you can find in our Help Center. Below the formula box, we see the same options, which let us set the formula to trigger when someone creates a new record or when someone makes changes to an existing record. In this case, we want it when someone creates a new record. So let's go ahead and create a new record. And there it is. That's my name. If you're wondering how I created a row so quickly, I used a keyboard shortcut, which is Control equal on Windows or Command equal on Mac. And that's it. Great job.